Sony's LCD TV, the new XH90 has finally gotten its price reviewed. If you are interested in this, you will be pleased because it's not expensive, like crazy expensive as one would expect from a Sony TV product. The price starts out at $1,300, 1,300 US dollars for the 50-inch model, 1,500 US dollars for the 55-inch model, 1,800 US dollars for the 65-inch model, and around 2,500 US dollars for the 75-inch model. The These products are great for most homes. Like, if you don't want to spend so much money on an OLED and you want a big size TV, this is something that you should consider. um I'm not the biggest advisor on TVs one should buy. It's all about your budget most of the time and the brand that you like, what they have in their displays. Basically, it all boils down to that. But most TVs of today really perform very well, except maybe improperly made TV. But most TVs being made today, even the LCD variants, are very good. So the speakers here on the TVs are very good as well. It has a way of vibrating the screen to produce good sound. The contrast ratio here is quite good overall. Basically, the TV also comes with the voice remote control, so you can control most things going on. Like, you can command it to select a movie or stuff for you. So it's overall a great experience for the price. It's coming with HDMI 2.1, supports IMAX enhanced. It also comes with other certification like HDR support, HDR10 plus, HDR10 support, Dolby Vision, and high low gamma support. It's cool. It can also pass through Dolby Atmos 3D signal, so it's great for what you can expect it to be. Now, stay tuned on the to see when it's officially going to go on sale. Because the most of these TVs that start getting their prices revealed, just know that when they need to go on sale wouldn't it be more than a month or two max. So just be subscribed to our channel. I'll bring you more news on when all these displays from Sony and other brands are going on sale. Please follow us on our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys next time.